I refused to let my 9 to 5 ruin my life. So I built systems that gave me my nights back, and I'll show you how to take control of yours too. Here's how I engineered my 5 to 9 so work stopped owning my life. See, Henry Ford can relate to you when he was building the Model T. He had a huge amount of demand, but it took 12 hours to make a car, so he couldn't make his supply match that demand. So he built the moving assembly line, and now with this new system, it only took 93 minutes to build a car. A lot of us have heard this story before, but never connected to our own lives. Most people treat their evenings like a pre-assembly line factory. They get home tired, then they decide what to eat, decide whether to work out or work on something, and then usually just end up eating and watching a show. Instead of asking, how do I find more time after work, I just asked a different question. How do I build an assembly line in my life? And once I did that, my 5 to 9 stopped owning my entire day. So what Henry Ford did for cars, I did for my time using this triangle of systems. First, I stopped deciding my evenings the night of. I used time blocking to have an already set task for the time. So my workout had a time block somewhere in the day. My content time had some time block in the day. Even all the way down to my relaxing had some type of block in the day. This way I never wasted time guessing or hopping around on tasks and getting distracted. I just executed on what was already planned for me. Second, and this is a huge energy leak that most people miss, and it's that they don't prep for their agenda tomorrow the night before. They get home and ask, oh, what should I eat? Or they get home and ask, oh, what should I go work on? Where I've already prepped for my entire day. So my meal is just a heat and eat. I just throw it in the oven and heat it up. My tasks are already laid out for me, so I just start working on them. I don't think about what to work on. See, people mess up when they have to make decisions after work. So I just prep for my whole day tomorrow the night before so I don't have to make any of these decisions. The last one, and was a real game changer for me, especially with my consistency and how I felt, is just energy management. A lot of discipline gurus will just tell you wake up earlier and work out harder and go faster. But for myself, I tried waking up at 4:30 in the morning when I first got this job, and I was utterly useless at that time. I was basically just chugging coffee, staring at the screen like a dead zombie, and couldn't get any work done. So instead, I wake up as late as possible so that I can go to bed as late as possible, because my energy, creativity, focus are at their highest level at nighttime, because that's just my circadian rhythm, and that's when my energy levels are at their highest. And that's all energy management. Stop fighting your natural rhythm and gritting your teeth. Just start to play to your strengths and build the systems around who you are naturally. It's all about alignment. So stop trying to find more time. Build systems that manufacture it.